right, good morning, boys. What is up? Today is Friday, January 30th. Took one win and then one loss, right? First trade was a long to Asian highs, right? Now, today was a very weird day. If you look at the market, it's kind of choppy. Now, I was bearish today. I was very bearish today. I'm gonna tell you why. All right, so first of all, on the daily time frame, I really thought we were just gonna sweep these highs and then come down and take out this LR. However, maybe we still can. I don't know. The day's still young. It's 9:50 a.m. Right? We respected this daily gap yesterday. I didn't really care much for it. We're near previous day low. At market open, we were trading right next to previous day low. We also have this hourly that we are rejecting, and we're also rejecting this 4-hour gap. Now take a look at this. You can see we have London below us, Asian highs. So I used Asian highs to target as well. We take our fib from this high to this low. You can see we're rejecting 0.618 of the range pre-market, right? With data lows as well resting below us. We have 830 lows as well as London lows. So if 930 dumped, it would have been a very clean short to London and or data lows. That is what I actually wanted to see. That is what I alerted the Discord. Said I was bearish. However, what did I see? I saw market started pumping. After this 931 candle, I figured maybe we might get a push lower. And we just wanted to manipulate data highs, even though we had a bearish S&T at data highs the entire time. Maybe price just wants to take out this high. This is terrible price action, by the way, in general. I think I haven't really looked at it much since I took my trade. It doesn't look clean though. There's no clean delivery. Like the 5-minute looks, yeah, this is not nice at all. All right. 830 comes out. What do? We sweep the high. I figured maybe, or 930 comes out, we sweep the 830 high. I figured maybe we just want to push lower, break here, so I can short the data lows. That would be a fantastic short. This is also a very volatile range. It doesn't look like it, but these are like 40-point candles, right? So we get that, and then what do I see? I see, all right, this is a good short setup. If we close below this order block, this is a good short setup, in my opinion. I also thought this was a good short setup. I took it myself, and I got stopped out on my alpha evals. That's what I'm going to show you guys right now. All right. However, after we flipped bullish here, I waited for this 1 minute, thinking, all right, maybe we close here. I'll short again. I was just looking for shorts. However, after we got such a bullish reaction to the upside, I literally entered midway through this candle closure. After we swept this high and broke this high, I figured we are going all the way to Asian highs. This is a very discretional trade. Once again, would I ever take this on a actual funded account? Fuck no. Absolutely not. Never. I would never take this on a funded account. I only took this on evals, and I made 3,000 per eval. Oh, let me whip that shit out. I don't know why I did not whip that shit out sooner. This is eval. 3,000 per eval. Hopefully we can get these passed next week and be max alloed on Tradeify and max alloed on Lucid. That would be fucking fantastic to be on, right? Pretty simple day. Like I said, when we broke this high, I just went long. I think it was five contracts long, 30-point stop, 30-point take profit. Pretty simple to Asian highs. Now, from there, I was honestly bearish. I was, all right, if we flip now, I would not mind shorts whatsoever. Do we have a gap on any time frame? Yes, the 2-minute and the 1 minute. What do? We inverse these gaps. We push lower. We even make a 1-minute bearish CISD. I was ready to low-key take profit here. I was ready to take profit here. But unfortunately, I could not. I didn't. I was on evals with alpha on the 0 accounts, and I was like, I'm just going to hold here. And one day past this shit, I was up like 1,000. Then I was going to scale in and go for a $3,000 trade so I could one day pass the accounts. That would have been great. Unfortunately, price ripped to the upside. Didn't even take out this high. Do I think this is sloppy price action? I don't want to call it sloppy price action because I don't like blaming price action. But I just find it stupid how we didn't even break this high and how now we might just push lower. Right? There is no need for price to retrace this deep into the range. On top of that, I don't know what the fuck the draw on liquidity currently is. Because like I said, we did have London and data below us, but we also had Asian above us. Right? We also do have a bunch of highs above us as well that I wouldn't mind if price takes out, but it doesn't even look like it's trying to take them out. You see what I mean? It doesn't even move. So I don't know. One win, one loss. I recorded the loss, not the win. I don't know why. So I'll be posting the loss as a video on Instagram if you guys want to see that entry and exit. There was no stop loss. There was a 1.2k stop loss because that's the zero account's daily loss limit. So that was essentially the stop loss was automatically placed for me, and then take profit was here. Pretty simple day. I really like this trade, right? You are rejecting a 4-hour gap, sweep a sell side, hourly gap, and OTE of the higher time frame range. I thought shorts were going to play out well. In hindsight, we also respected OTE of the bullish range to the tick. I didn't really care for that because I wasn't bullish. However, not upset because the evals I really cared about are obviously Tradify and Lucid. Those are 150k accounts versus Alpha. I was only trading 50k accounts. So hopefully we can get these passed by the end of the week. By the end of next week, we have $3,000 left. I'm going to take these very slow so I can be max allocated on 2 firms. That'd be fucking dope. And I hope you guys have a blessed day. I will see you boys tomorrow for a psych lecture. All right, any questions? Feel free to ask. I will leave a link for the free Discord and mentorship application in the bio. I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I will see you boys on Saturday for a psych lecture. All right, peace out.